you all are fine. Today our book is The Science Factor of Class 4, and today our topic is about muscles. That what are muscles and how our muscles act, and what are the importance of our muscles. So now let's start our today's topic. The human body has more than 600 muscles. Yes, our body have more than, not only 600, not less than 600, but more than 600 muscles. Muscles help you to move. They also help to move things around your body. Your heart is a muscle. It moves blood around your body. Yes. What is the working of muscle? The work of muscle. Muscles help us to move the things. As there is a muscle in our shoulder which helps to move our shoulder. Okay. In our body we have 600 muscles. All the muscles help us to move. There is a muscle in our arm. Okay. Here also a muscle in our arms which which help us to move our hand. Okay. There is a muscles in our legs which help us to move our legs. Okay. And our heart, as in my previous video I can tell you that heart is also a muscle. And which thing heart help us to move? Heart moves blood all around our body, because if our heart beats one time, it means that it covers the full body and covers a full body distance in one time, and the blood moves from all over body. Some muscles are attached to your bones. These are the muscles that gives you strength and help you to move. Exercising these muscles help them to grow, giving you more strength. Okay, some muscles are attached with bones. As the shoulder muscles are attached with bones, they help us to move and over strength. Okay, it takes 17 muscles to smile and 43 to frown. So remember, smiling is always easier than frowning. Okay, in our smiling and frowning we can also use muscles, because in our mouth we also have a muscles. There is many muscles in our mouth. Okay, so if we can smile, some muscles move, so we can smile. Okay, for smiling we have to move these muscles, and in our smiling we have to use 17 muscles, and in our frowning we have used 43. So frowning is difficult than smiling. As we can see that we don't know that frowning is difficult, because we can move our muscles so easily and without any hurdle. So we cannot find that, oh, frowning is difficult than smiling. Oh yes. The human muscles. Muscles work by contracting and relaxing. When muscles contract and relax. For working, muscles contract and relax. Contract and relax. Contracting means they get shorter. Yes, contracting means as I can move my hand. Contracting means a shorter, and relaxing means they can take their original position. Relaxing makes them longer. As they move in this way, they move the body. They know when to contract and when to relax, because they receive message from the brain telling them what to do. Yes. How our muscles find that we have to contract this time and we have to relax this time? It is our brain which tell us. As the persons which are abnormal, we can see that they cannot contract their muscles as easily as we can. They cannot do work, because brain plays a most important part in our body, because it sends the messages, just like cell phone. If cell phone doesn't receive our voice and send it to the receiver, we cannot. The receiver don't know that what are the things we are telling to them. Also, if brain doesn't work properly, it does not tell us that how to work. What are the position of muscle in contracting and stretching? When muscles are relaxed, they can gain more space, as these muscles are relaxed. When our hand is downward. When we move our hand, our arm, when we move our arm, our muscles are contracted. Contracted means they become shorter. As they are longer, they are shorter. Now move towards its questions. First of all, answer time. Put your fingertips to your lips and smile. You can feel the movement of your lips. Those are muscles at work. Keep your finger on your lip and trying to smile without moving those muscles. You can do it, can you? Okay, this is your activity. You have to do this activity in your home, that you how to smile and how your muscles move. Now we have do a question answer. What is the function of your muscles? Yes, what is the function of your muscles? These are answers. What is the function of your muscles? Muscles help us to move. Yes, we can move with the help of our muscles. Give us strength. Yes, give us strength means give us power. And heart is also a muscle which pump blood. As I can tell you that heart is also a muscle which pumps blood. This is the example. Okay. Now move towards its next question, which is how do muscles work to bring about movement in your body? How bring about movement in our body? Muscles help us. When we can contract our muscles, gain small space, and we can relax our muscles, they can gain a more space. Okay. About movement in your body, yes, muscles help us to move in our body. So this is the ending of our today's lecture. I can see you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. If you have any query, you must tell me. Allah Hafiz.